Yo, what's going on, guys?
Fun guy, what's up, baby?
What it do, baby?
Yeah, you already know.
It's your boy, Chef Cam, aka King Creation, whatever you want to call me, the best home cook, the best home cook that you'll ever meet. Yeah. What we got for you guys today is our second video on this channel. How y'all feel about that?
Let's go!
Alright, good, that's what I like to see. Alright, so what we got for you guys today is a chicken sandwich, a fried chicken sandwich, the King's way. Hey, but guess what? It's scratch made. Alright, that video will be coming out right shortly, okay? And thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe, like up the video. Don't forget to tell everybody about this video, okay? Alright, see you guys in a second. Alright guys, what's going on? We're back here. Alright, so what we're going to do today is we're going to do what we're going to do is that dry active yeast for that bread. So what we're going to do is we have a tablespoon of dry active yeast and we have 1 cup of warm milk. And what we're going to do, we're going to let that sit there for a little bit to activate. And we're going to add in our 1 tablespoon of sugar. Alright guys, while that dry active yeast is activating, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and prep this chicken right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut all that fat off, because you don't want none of that, man. Like I told you in the last video, you don't want none of that on there, baby. Alright, just make sure you get it all off. Alright guys, yeast activated. So what we got now is 3 tablespoons of butter, melted butter, and we have 1 cracked egg. Yeah, that's how you crack an egg right there, baby. Alright, and we got 2 cups of flour. Get all that flour out of there. Alright, what we're gonna do now, take that nice clean hand, well for me glove, mix in that thing. Get in that thing. Alright. It's gonna get a little messy, so make sure you be ready. Alright guys, after you get a nice size shape, so what we're gonna do now is proof this for 1 hour. Wrap it up with foil and we're gonna proof this for 1 hour, okay? Alright, after proofing for 1 hour, sorry. What we're gonna do is we're gonna scoop this out. Well, hold on, let me get some flour. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on there so it won't stick. Alright, so I'm gonna scoop this out. I'm gonna invest into a bread scooper because it's really rough with this, you know, but it's alright. So after scooping this out, what I'm gonna do is, I get a little bit on there, go ahead and circle it off, make it look really nice. Then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna karate chop one half right here. Okay, let me get some on my hands so it won't stick. Alright, what we're gonna do, hold on. Alright, we're gonna do, alright, we're gonna make it into a ball at the bottom. We're gonna stick it on the baking sheet, just like that. Make it to a little ball, just like that. Alright. Alright guys, after forming those up, you might have some deformed ones. You might not. It all just depends on how good you are at that. You see me, I'm a little shaky with it. I'm still trying to learn myself. So you don't want them too dry. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna add some oil, some cooking spray, whatever you can do. Just keep them a little damp and stuff, because you don't want them to dry out while they're sitting. So what we're gonna do is take this egg wash with a little wiper right here. So we're gonna do, go over the top of them, the egg wash. This right here, it just gives it a little brown color to it, you know, when it cooks off. It's gonna make it look beautiful after it's done. Alright, and after we get done with this, we're gonna let them sit and proof for another 40 minutes. And after that, you get to put them in the oven for 25 minutes at 400 degrees. Alright guys, while we have that bread sitting there proofing, we're gonna go ahead and prep our lettuce and everything for our sandwiches. So we're gonna take a few of these little branches off here. That's what I call them, little branches off of here. I can set that right there to the side. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and roll it up, and then we're gonna do it just like this. We're gonna roll it up just like this. This is how you get those beautiful flakes, okay? Alright, so let me get my knife. I'll roll this up again. Alright, so you're gonna hold your hand like this so you don't cut yourself, and you're gonna slice. And we beautiful. See those long pieces of lettuce? That right there is how you cut lettuce. Alright, so let me show you how to cut this thing up so you can have some pretty pieces to fry off to go good in your sandwiches. Alright, you see where that is right there? You're gonna cut right in there, okay? Right in there. I'm gonna go ahead and make the line off so I know. So you're gonna go right in there. And when you go in there, it's called a butterfly. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna butterfly cut this. And then, let me go ahead and show you. So you hold your hand down like that. You hold your hand down like that. Cut right in between it. Usually people they'll go like this and you can split it open like that. But see how big this piece is? That's too big. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and just flatten it out, and we're just gonna cut it in half. That way everybody can have their fair share of chicken. And this is how you make more chicken out of one. See that how that is? I got 2 big pieces of chicken, but I made 4 pieces out of one. And don't worry about this tenderloin right here. You can keep that on. The flour will bring it together, okay? So don't worry about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and season this up real quick. I'm going to finish cutting this and I'm gonna season it up. Alright, after cutting up that chicken, see how beautiful they are? Beautiful pieces of chicken. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is the pre-season, okay? Not the regular season, just the pre-season. Like we did in the last video. You got a pre-season, and you got a regular season, and you got the breading season. Alright, so here we go with the seasoning. So what we got here is, you got 1 teaspoon of paprika, because you don't want it too hot, you know what I'm saying? Well, at least for me. You know, you can go ahead and add a little bit more if you want to. Alright. Then we got 2 teaspoons of salt. Two teaspoons of garlic. And 2 teaspoons of pepper. Alright, don't forget, this is just the pre-season, okay? Alright. Oh, and we're gonna mix that right on in, alright? Alright, got that thing looking all nice and good. Don't forget, let this sit for like 2 or 3 minutes before you fry it, okay? This is the pre-season. Alright, we're back here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna season the flour, okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and get it. We got 2 cups of flour. If I can get it in there. Alright, 2 cups of flour. 2 tablespoons of salt and pepper mixed together. 2 tablespoons of garlic. 1 tablespoon, 2 teaspoons of paprika. Alright guys, what we got here is we're gonna go ahead and bread this flour up. We got our oil over there getting hot ready for us. So we got this chicken right here. Alright, I showed y'all in the last video how to bread it. Alright, so we're gonna dump it in there. I'm gonna show you again. So we're gonna dump it in there, toss it around. Alright, see how it is? But you wanna pack it in there. You wanna pack it in there to get it real nice and thick. Alright. And shake out the excess. There you go. The breaded chicken breast. Alright guys, after breading that chicken that chicken breast, what we're gonna do here, shake all that off. Everybody get in that pool. Oh, I didn't mean to do that, but it's alright. And this will cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Alright. Alright guys, we're back after these beautiful breads, beautiful buns come right out the oven. So see how it's a little crunchy at the top, but it's soft right in the middle. That's what you want. You want a brown, soft. You see that right there? Soft. Let me bring it in closer. You see that right there? Soft, but the top. That's for texture, okay? That's what you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these open and get these sandwiches right, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. As you can see here, we got it made. We got it perfectly made. We got here scratch-made King's chicken sandwich. All right, let's get this thing a try. I've been waiting on this all day. I was thinking about this at work. Ooh, that's good. Look at the inside there. Done. See how it's steaming? Good. Oh, let me stop you. Alright, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I have the recipe in the bio of this channel, on this video page, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell everybody, tell your mama, your daddy,